Hi, this case is very interesting regarding 4 implants and 2 implants was sticking out the facially. Patient doesn't like it, so we trying to bring in a little bit more and then we send it out to another try-in and then we fabricate it with the Syton 7-star cases. Patient wants this more nice looking, the teeth, in other words, tooth was just like that, class 1, the facial maxillary teeth is sticking out quite a bit compared to lower teeth. So we're trying to bring it in as much as possible. In order to do that, we have to do something about 2 implant, which is I fabricated about Zirconia Restoration. So we made a custom abutment, bring it in, we cover with the zirconia. So first video you're going to see, so we made the zirconia with the 2 custom abutment and then 2 screw retain, so we made it. Finally we fabricated with just class 1, just class is normal bite instead of the class 3 bite. Patient doesn't like it because the way look at it, so we trying to utilize it before she had the existing class 3 bite, so we trying to bring in a little bit more and then we send it out to another try-in, so which is patient accepted, and then we fabricate it with the Syton 7-star cases. Okay, so another 7-star case with only 4 implants, and then doctor will going to do 2 pieces. We're going to cement in his side. It's another interesting case coming up, which is great, so open occlusion contact, and then we're only touching the posterior teeth. So this has a more tensile strength, so we're going to cement together 2 pieces, so it will be much better. So this is the core. Set up the back side. This is the beginning stage. Now this one is different cases, different story. As an open anterior bite. So we have to holding the 4 teeth, trying to bring it in, which is patient conform these cases. We just made the framework with a screw channel and then make the 2 single separate crown. Okay, so unfortunately we have to add underneath just like that. We have to cover it, but we're going to add with the porcelain now. So we finish the cut it back about 3.5-4 millimeter, just like other side as well. And then you see the occlusion, 4 implants. So technically we're holding with the 2 implants with the 3 teeth and then 2 teeth. Actually we have 4 teeth because here is the problem. I have to conjunct with the zirconia and the porcelain, wrap it around, which is very tricky part. So 4 units is better. So 2 unit bridge, single, 4 unit bridge. This is a better. So we're going to mill soon. So this case was the whole thing about Syton 7-star. So we fabricated one very thin frame and then top still has the hole, but we fabricated everything except 2 crown. So doctor will going to put into the crown after they talk down. Kind of very unique cases I would like to share with you guys. There's a way we can do many different things. Remember, patient was all the time they want highest quality, which is they don't know much about it, but dental laboratory technician such as me and our dentist have to try to give them as close as possible or nice as possible, comfortable as possible, natural as possible. So you saw our design. I can make slightly open, but the actual CAD cannot make the thin like I did, which is metal cutting, just 0.5 millimeters. So we're going to add the porcelain because the ridge area is very important to the aesthetics. I don't want to make the too gray color. But also whenever I made the single here, I'm trying to make the indentations, and then my single crown is the one rotating. The doctor can use the temporary cement after they put it back to the screw. So this is 2 units, and this is another single, 4 units for retentions, 4 units for mano, and then underneath. Unfortunately, we have to add more for aesthetics. Okay, now it's ready to put the pad. This came out the 4 unit with redesigned, but just like glove. Members, I trying to reduce the undercut as much as possible. This is a margin line that we're going to cover with porcelain. Underneath too, here. This is wonderful. There's a 2 splint. Here's a single, so cement. We give them indentation a little bit so doctor can take it out from the inside. Color block using the B&D dental in Utah. Alright, the spinals 2 implant which is facially sticking out, and the other 2 which is okay position, and doctors maybe the verification didn't matter. And this is previous fabrication with zirconia is over the top with a custom abutment, which is not much durable. So we're trying to bring in the fascia compared to this, so make more better contour, however is open bite, and therefore do have a issue to. We have to cover the facial area for aesthetic zone, unfortunately, okay? And we're going to make these 2 cement and 4 unit cement, and 2 we need to leave it as it is. So give them doctors. Chair size, so he can cement. You see, he can take it out with his instrument. Same thing here. Okay. This 4 units. We're going to cement this. This. Okay. So here is the spinals, what look like. So lovely cosmetic restorations, and Dr. made the cement, but our end is really good, just like it's right on. So we don't need any composite cement. Okay, so we just cement with I'm using the top dental in New Jersey, and this is color block from B&D, which is mono completely. Alright, so we made a hole. It's ready to cement now. Okay. Anyway, this kind of unique cases I would like to share with the 4 implants, long span, bring it in, bring out the cases, make the thin, and covering 2 crowns. They have the cement after torque down. This is the video. Appreciate it, you guys, the supporting all the time. Thanks a lot.